Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today this is how to do sort of a digital zoom in OBS. Yeah, it's not easy. So if your camera doesn't have a zoom on it, it's really hard to kind of do it digitally because there isn't exactly a zoom function in OBS. But you can do it with scenes and filters. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So for example, if I swap to here, and I'm a completely different size. So the way we do this is we have our two scenes, which is my large one and my small scene. And this is generally the setup you're going to use. It's one of the basic setups that people tend to use. Big camera, small camera. But if you want to zoom in on something, you basically have to adjust the camera, but you don't want to mess up this. You don't want to mess up your two scenes, so we're going to create a third scene. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new scene, and it's called third scene. And you'll notice that everything has gone black. And for now, I am just going to, since I'm using a Mac, I'm just going to add the Mac recording screen. So say I want to zoom in on the scenes here on the side. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to grab either one of these corners like this, and you can essentially move this camera around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to pull it over and say I don't want the toolbar in there, and there you go. And you can make this bigger and smaller. But if I now scroll through my three my three scenes, so scene 2 and the main scene, you can see if I use the arrow keys, I can go big, small, and then zoomed in. And you can do it all different types of sizes. So that was, I'm going to swap back to big me if I can. So yeah, that was that was a quick video on how you do digital zoom. I would say it's the easiest way to do a digital zoom. Is just to set up a couple of different, sizes. So if you're having to constantly pulling, different items in and out of camera, say, maybe you're doing cards or something like that. Before you start, have your scene, set it up, see where your card's going to be, zoom it into where you like it, and then basically leave it there. And as long as you're able to place item in the kind of general area, you're able to, swap the three different scenes or however many scenes you want. And yeah, so that is a quick way to do a quick zoom in on OBS Studio. To be precise, OBS Studio. Thank you guys for watching this video. Once again, check the links in the description to go and have a look at Strathcarron. I wish I had. I will have to get a digital file that I can just throw up on this screen with it. I need to just have this with the scene. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. check out the link in the description for the Strathcarron eBay page. We go live pretty much every Sunday, and do a live auction. They go live every. If you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favour and check the link in the description to go to the Strathcarron eBay page. They go live pretty much every single Sunday to raise money for Strathcarron Hospice, which is an amazing charity that offers palliative care. They've been around for about 45 years. They're an amazing charity, and you never know, you might find something that you like over there. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.